Anybody needs apple? Anybody needs apple? First class apples. Anybody needs apples? The best apple in the whole world. Apple from Kashmir. Apple. Anybody needs apple? Anybody needs apple? Apple. Kashmir apple. Fresh apple. Tasty apple. Nobody is coming to buy apple from us, Appu. Now what will we do? This is also not helping us. I will give you an idea. You should do it. Hey, I got it! Now see how many people are going to come. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, lot of money. Where were you all this while? That hunter Biraya, he is going to hunt everybody. Come soon. Let's go really fast. Okay. Hey, go slow. I can't fly like you. Where is he? Let me see. Look there, he is going to kill our Jagu right now. We should do something. Don't worry, I have some solution.
Hello. We will start with the Guinness Record News now. The Guinness Book takes us to a wonderful world. And how do they do it? Let us see now. How are they able to attract the world's attention towards them? In China, a 7-year-old girl called Suhu has created a new record by not sleeping for 7 days. In India, in Kerala, a 10-story high Christmas star was made and has been declared the world's biggest Christmas star. It's a new record.
How can we also get into Guinness Book of World Record? Let me think about it. This is full of cards. What will we do with this? We can't play cards now, but do you know how to play? I don't know to play, but we can make a castle out of it. Yes, nobody should have made castles out of these cards. The biggest castle, the quickest made castle, and nobody should have made such castle. But to make such castle, we need more cards, no? I'll tell you how to get more cards. I'll be back soon. Okay. I saw many people playing cards over there. Come with me. Come, let's go. Lot of cards are there. We definitely reach in our Guinness book. Okay, go ahead. Everybody run! Appu, be careful. Channel people has come. Shall we call all of them? No, not now. I want to take some rest. Oh, it is very hot inside. Okay, now you can call everybody.
No one has ever done this in this world, and nobody can duplicate this too. He has built a novel house, and by sitting inside, he has created a Guinness record. He has built an intricate house of cards. The Prime Minister has complimented him on his record.
night now. Let's sleep. What happened, Appu? Today I have exam. I didn't study anything yesterday. I don't know what to do. We will do something about it. Don't worry. I'll go take bath and come. What I am going to write? I'm definitely going to fail in this exam. I got this from the student of next class. Write very fast. Before he comes to know, I should give it back. You have finished writing, no? Let me go and give this back. Yeah, go fast. You will get A+ for sure. I think this will be enough. What happened? What are you thinking about? I'm thinking, can we grow some fish? Wow, that will be so great. But where will we get fish from? Let's go to the lakeside and catch some fish. I'll take some rest here. You go and catch some good fish. it's been so long. You haven't got even one fish. Hey, I got it. But this is bigger than what I wanted. It's okay, it'll fit in our jar. Appu, run away! Dog behind us! Oh my god! Run! You can escape now! Why are you not going to school today, Appu? Today is Sunday. You don't know that? I'm very bored. Then let's go and see waterfalls today. Okay, we'll go and see waterfalls today. You know, it is so nice to see waterfalls. All my hunger and thirst will go when I go and drink that waterfalls. Let me take my cycle. Look there! Watermelon! I'm wish I could have one. I also want one. I really like watermelon. We want to eat that. What will we do now? We'll go home and get umbrella and come. What is that for? I'll tell you. You come first. Then take the cycle and come. We'll take the shortcut and reach home. Come on faster. This is a tough slope to climb. Please check where the vehicle has reached. Vehicle hasn't reached so far away. Vehicle is on the way. Hey, see, it is coming. All my hunger is over. My thirst is also over. Let us see some paintings. I don't understand anything. Why are they so costly? Everybody is buying paintings. That is no point feeling jealous. You can also try it out. I will also try once. How am I going to draw? What I am going to draw? You simply draw whatever you can. You saw there. Just scribble down anything. Hey, how is my painting? Very good. Awesome. Fantastic. Oh, I'm sorry. You destroyed it.
Hi. Give me these paintings. I will give you 500 rupees.
I'll give you 1,000.
I'll give you 2,500.
2,800.
3,000.
3,500.
4,000.
4,500.
5,000.
5,500.
I want these paintings. I asked for it first.
No, I asked it first.
I came here first.
No, I came. Appu, see this newspaper. This is our Tinku.
This child's name is Tinku. He has gone missing the past 2 days. If any one of you find him, please contact the address below.
What happened to our Tinku? Any accident should have happened. We should somehow find him fast. That's right. Let's go and find him. Come on. There are 2 paths. Which one will we take? Let's put the toes and see. Okay, very good idea. If it is tail, we'll go this way. If it is head, we'll go that way. It's head. Then we'll go this way. What are you seeing there? Let me go and see. It is one of the hunter's jeep. Something fishy. Yes, that's right. Something has gone wrong. The jeep is here. Where has the hunter gone? Appu, you can get inside and hide. He will definitely not find me now.
At last your father agreed to pay 2 crores. Once I get the money, I will decide whether to leave you or not. Now be quiet, don't scream.
How will we go inside now? I have an idea. I will go inside. You come towards the kitchen. I will open that. That's a great idea. The hunter is sleeping now. You come inside. Tinku, you don't worry. You can come out and hide there.
No, he will kill you.
You don't worry. I'll take care of him.
Hmm.
You run fast. Everything is ready. You go fast. Yes, you can call him now. All right, let's begin.
Hey, is that you? I will not leave
Yeah,
you.
we will see. Run! Go and tell this information to the police station. Yes, I am going right now.